Hello traders, great to be with you on a Monday, May 22nd, 2017. Absolutely gorgeous today, coming to you from Thailand, Pattaya, Thailand. It is absolutely wonderful. We've had like 13 days of cloudy and rainy skies. Yesterday was the first time I saw the sun for about 3 hours. The sun went away. We have beautiful skies, not a cloud in the sky today. Looks like we're gonna have a cooker for heat, and it's gonna be a beautiful day. Just back from my morning swim, and absolutely gorgeous. The pool was fantastic today, and good to be back at the trading desk, ready to go for another week. Let's get over to the other screen and let's look at what's going on. News-wise, very weak today. Nothing going on. This is really going to be a technical trading day. We have Canada's on a holiday today. It's Victory Day for them. We did have some data come out earlier. Japan had adjusted trade balance, which was in the red, meaning bad. We had exports in the red, and we had trade balance in the red. Imports, however, was in the green, but it's very low impact number. If we look down the list, there's really nothing. There is absolutely nothing. The only thing we have today is Eurogroup meetings, and it says tentative. What does tentative mean? Hello, tentative. Yeah, means they don't want them to tell us what time it's going to be, and they're just going to pop it out there and do it. So, that's okay, but we'll keep an eye on that, and we're going to talk about the euro in just a second here. Okay, let's take a look at our indices here. Gold is down 0.10%. Silver is up 0.45%. WTI crude is what? Yes, above $50 a barrel. It's at 51.15 today. Brent is at 54.08. I told you all it's going back above 50. Listen, it's not about me and my predictions. It's about oil people who are trading oil. This is good information if you're trading oil. If it goes below 50, realize in days or a week from then, it's going back above 50. Helps the oil traders able to trade their oil and know what direction it's going to head into. It's going to stay above 50. These are about the biggest banks in the world keeping oil above $50 a barrel, and that's what's going on. That's it. That's the story. Okay. All right. Natural gas is up 0.86%. U.S. coffee is up 1.97%. So that's about it for that. Let's take a look at what's going on in commodity. That was commodities. Indices. S&P futures is up 0.06%. Nasdaq's up 0.11%. Dow's up 0.69%. And DAX is up 0.39%. Nikkei 225 is up 0.26%. Dollar index is hovering at 97.18. 5 minutes ago it was at 97.25. And when I got in front of my charts at 5:30 this morning a.m. in Thailand, which would have been 18:30 on Wall Street on a Sunday night, it was at 97 flat. So you can see a little bit of juggling there on the dollar index. Good to see. Good to see. All right, so let's get over to the charts, my friends. Let's take a look at some pairs here, and then we're going to get into the euro. Let's take a look at the pound yen. We talked about this last week, and we're still in here. The problem with this is where price is at. This trade plan is still valid. We still want to take this to the downside. However, I put this oval in here so you can see where price is in left of the chart. We just don't want that, right? We want this left of the chart. We don't want this just because now you're selling into a lot of mess, right? You got support here, right? You got support all over the place of significant levels that are going to affect us. So what do we got to do here? Yeah, I think we're going to change our plan a little bit, right? Sure. Why don't we come up to this, at a minimum, the 618, right? 61.8, and take that to the downside, right? So we want to take that to the downside, right? That's where we want to get into it. That's a 145.80. 145.80, we want to sell this. And just keep an eye on it. You might want to get below the 618 in case it bounces, and that would be 145.69, 65. You can get into there and just watch that. But this trade plan is still valid. If you got into it, you got whipped around a little bit, but you're sure to get stopped out, right? And this trade plan is still on the good thing. All right, good stuff. What else do we have for you? Euro Aussie. Again, this trade is also in play. I extended this trend line out, and we're still playing with this. However, this is still in play here. The only thing I'm going to change, I got to be honest with you, is I think I'm going to bring this up here, right? let's get into this at 49.80. So maybe I'm going to look at this to get in here at 49.80, right? And look to get into our entry there. Remember, we were going to get in here, but now this has moved up some. We got some room here, and this isn't a wide open space. We do have some levels left of the chart we got to watch. Man, if we get below this 49.40, I'm telling you, this is going to be a great trade, because this is just going to continue down. We have nothing here. There's no price action to get in our way. We can just take this right down and continue our take profit area at 1.4838, and we're going to stay with that. We're just going to say this is over 100 pip trade, my friends. You know, this pair can do it. If any pair can do it, the Euro Aussie can do it. All right, let's talk about. I'm sure everybody wants to know about what's going on with this Euro dollar. Other than I'm in a loss. I'm in a loss. I put a new trend line on here, and if you remember, I got in this trade. I was here. I got in this trade, comes down, pops me back up, comes all the way back down. I'm in a little bit of profit. Then all of a sudden, boom, it just takes off to the upside. And now, if you remember, on this up move here, I had this fibbed, and this was a fib here, and I added to the position. So now I'm in two positions, one from back here and one from up here, and it's come up, and now I need this to sell off. So what's going on with this? This pair, remember, this is not about the euro, friends. This is about the dollar. If the dollar was at 98 or 99 or above 100, this pair would be down here. Okay, this pair would be at 1.80, 1.0860. It'd be down here. All right, this would be down here. This is about the dollar. The dollar is weak. The euro is still not strong. Don't fool yourself. Don't get focused in on this 1 hour time frame. Go to a monthly. Go to a daily. Yeah, it's got to beep up, but it's definitely not a change of trend. There's no change of trend here. The dollar index gets strong, and this thing's going to dump like a rock. Okay, and that's what we're waiting for. I will tell you, if it gets above 112 and secures above 112, I'll take my loss. I'll get out. Okay. The biggest important thing about this is money management. My money management was on. Okay, that's what it's about. I'm still in this trade, and I'm you know, as far as pips goes, I'm in a big hit for pips. However, my money management is right. Remember, I trade small, and even with two positions, I'll tell you, I'm not even in a single lot. Okay, I trade small, and I trade a lot. So we're going to play this out. We're going to see if we can make up for this, and we're going to take this back to the downside. So we're okay. The trade's okay. I'm still within my money management. I didn't break any of my rules. Everything's good. All right, that's it for the euro. One last thing before I run. Let's take a look at the dollar yen. Sideways, sideways, sideways for the last 3 days, right? Since Thursday, looks like. So just don't do anything here. It looks like Wednesday, right? The 16th, 18th, 19, 21, 22. Yeah, yeah, Thursday. So, you know, we're in this, and, you know, now I'm expecting the dollar to get strong, so I expect this to continue to the downside. Okay. I'm sorry, to the upside. Hello, William. Wake up. It's Monday. Yeah, to the upside. I'm expecting the dollar to get strong. I'm expecting this to go to the upside. All right, my friends. Great to be with you on a Monday. Great to see everybody. Keep the comments and emails coming. It's absolutely fantastic. Again, you're with tradingwithbill.com. And yes, I am Bill. And we'll see you tomorrow. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.